Hello guys and welcome to TechRix tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create animated videos using Leonardo AI. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do in this interface of Leonardo.ai website is to click this motion feature right here. And once you click it, you will see this and you can select to choose your own photo, or you can choose on community feed. So this time I will choose community feed to show you an example. So let's say for this one, I want this to be my photo. You can adjust the motion strength, the visibility, and such thing. So once you're all done in this part, all you have to do is to click generate button right here at the bottom. Then click view generation, then wait for it to finish. And now that it is done, as you can see right there, it is now a video animation. So from image, we converted it into a video animation. So that is how basically it works. You can download it by clicking this button right here, and then it will be automatically saved in your desktop. So that is basically it. Thank you guys for watching TechTricks tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.